How to buy tonal token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account. So if you go to their official website, as you can see, now, as you can see, you will be able to see this information here. They said that send TON to this address and join the Tonald campaign for the TON chain boss. So Tonald token will be airdropped to your wallet when the pre-sale ends. Need help buying? Click here. 1 TON equal 619.90 Tonald. So if you click here, as you can see, and here you will follow this instruction here. So I will show you how to do that. Now what you need to do is install the TON wallet. So make sure to install it on your browser. And now what you need to do, copy this contract address from here. Now just open your TON wallet from here. I will just open that. Now what you need to do is just click on TON here. Now click on send because you need to send a TON to this wallet. So what you need to do is just paste the withdrawal address that they put in your X account, and here just type anything that you want, like service, like that, or anything. Now just click on continue. Now here you will be able to enter how much you want to buy with that token, or how much you will be sent to this address. So if you want to send 12 TON, you will be able to see how much equal on USD. If you want to like send 100, so make sure first that you have enough TON on your wallet. After that, click on continue and you will be able to send that amount to their address, and after the pre-sale is end, you will be able to receive your token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Tonal token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.